Problem number 12 from laws of motion. Question is, on a smooth horizontal surface, a block A of mass 10 kg is kept. On this block, a second block B of mass 5 kg is kept. The coefficient of friction between the two blocks is 0.4. A horizontal force of 30 newtons is applied on the lower block as shown. The force of friction between the blocks is take G is 10 meters per second square. Okay, so here there is a one block. This is block A. Over on it there is another block is kept. This is block B. Then we are applying a force of 30 newtons in this direction. Then here the coefficient of friction between two blocks is 0.4. I think is 0.4. Then what is the frictional force between these two blocks? Between these two blocks, how much is the frictional force? Okay, so for that, whenever we are applying a force of 30 newtons, this is force. When this 34 newtons of force applying on this A, this A is moving with some acceleration A, as well as this B is also moving with the same acceleration. Then according to the force, that is equal to m into A according to our formula. So then F is equal to ma, but here first write down the ma, mass of the block A, that is equal to 10 kg, and mass of the block B is 5 kg. Then we applying here a force on two blocks. So means we are applying only on the block A, but as well as B is also moving with the same acceleration. So that's why it is equal to the resultant force F is equal to ma plus mb into A. Okay, for A and B, combination of these two is acceleration is how much? A. So from this, A is equal to, that is capital F by ma plus mb, and that is equal to capital F is given, that is 30 newtons by ma is 10, mb is 5, and that is equal to 30 by 15 is equal to 2, that is 2 meters per second square. This is the acceleration. Then force on B. So the frictional force F is equal to m into A between the two blocks. Okay, so then that is equal to F is equal to m into B into A, force, frictional force on B, and that is equal to mb is equal to 5, and acceleration is already we got here, that is equal to 2, and it is 10 newtons of force.